Hi, my name is Emrah Karagöz. I'm going to do the demonstration for Lab1. I have the installations on the right and I have the Code Composer Studio on the left. So in this Lab1, we are asked to uh, add the contents of registers R4, R5, and R6 to the register R7. We then subtract the content of R10 from R7. Before we will do the setup part, we will clear all the registers and we will set up the register values, which are actually 4 for R4, 3 for R5, 10 for R6, and 15 for R10. Then we will do the addition, then we will do the subtraction, and then we will store the values of R4, R5, R6, R10, and R7 to the memory, starting from 0200 address, and we will add the infinite loop in the end. Okay, I wrote the codes for the setup. There are 4 lines clearing the R4, R5, R6, R7, and R10. Then we set the values 4 for R4, 3 for R5, 10 for R6, 15 for R10. So we basically copy the values of those copies to the registers. In the second step, R4 is added to the R7, R5 is added to the R7, R6 is added to the R7. Then we do the subtraction. We subtract R7 from, we subtract R10 from R7. And then we finally store the values of the registers, the contents in the registers to the memory by those 5 lines. R4 to 0200 address, R5 to 0202 address, R6 to 0204, R10 to 0206, R7 to 0208. Okay, let's start to debug the code. Yeah, the code is being debugged. Okay, we are in the reset part. So before, I just want to manually change the values of memory and the registers as I uh, gave in the 1B, and yeah, as I gave in the 1B, I will change the memory to 5s, all 5s. R4 to all 6. 6, I think it's 7s. R4. I'm sorry, R6 is 7. And yes, R4 is 15BC, 15B3. R10 to B8, B8, R7 to 270, F, N, Z, V, and C values are all zeros. Okay. These are all fives. Okay. Now I set the initial values, the prior values of the registers and the memory. Now I will step over to come set up. Okay. R4 should be cleared. Yes, R4 is 0. R4 is 0. R5 becomes 0. R6 becomes 0. R7 becomes 0. And R10 becomes 0. Now R4 gonna be 4. Yes, R4 is 4. R5 is 3. R5 is 3. R6 is 10. Yes, it's 10 now. And R10 is 15. R10 is 15, which is F. Okay. Now we will add the value of R4 to R7. It should be 4 plus 0. Yes, R7 becomes 4. Now R5 will be added to the R7. The result should be 7 because 3 plus 4 is 7. It is 7 now. Now R6 will be added to the R7. 10 plus 7, which is 17, which becomes 17, 1 in hex representation. Yes, it's 1. Now we subtract R10 from R7. R7 is 17, which is 1 in hex. R10 is 15, which is F in hex. So the result should be 2 for R7. Yes, 2 is R7. Also, notice that SR is changed, which is N, Z, C, V values are, C is only changed. Yeah, C became 1. Now we will store the values of R4, R5, R6, R10 on R7 to the memory. It becomes 4 at 0 to 0, 0. It becomes 3 at 0 to 0, 2. Yeah, it becomes 10, which is A in hex, at R at 0 to 0, 4. And it becomes F, the value of R10 actually, at 0 to 0, 6. And finally, we will get 2 at R2 0 to 0, 8 for R7. Okay, so this is the end of. I also wrote the new values here. R4 is 4, R5 is 3, R6 is A, which is 10, R10 is F, which is 15, R7 is 2, SR becomes 1, and values for bit values for NZVC becomes 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 only for carry bit for C. I also recorded the values for the memory for 3A, F, and 2. Okay. The last 2 questions are just like no need demonstration for the last 2 questions. So it's okay. Thank you so much.